Hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I am Alex.
And I am Bella. We're so happy to see you again here on Ready Talk.
This is the place where we have easy, friendly conversations to help you practice your English. We are two teachers, but more importantly, we are best friends who love to chat.
That's right. Our goal is to help you listen to natural English that is easy to understand. We want you to feel like you are sitting right here with us, maybe at the park or a coffee shop.
If you find our conversations helpful, please take a moment to click the subscribe button below. It really helps our channel grow.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Are you ready for today's topic, Alex?
I am. Today, we are talking about a place that makes some people very happy and some people very tired. Today, we are talking about going to the gym. So, Bella, let's be honest. Are you a gym person? Do you like to exercise?
Well, I try to be. I have a membership at a gym near my house. A membership is when you pay every month to use the building and the machines.
That is a good start. Having a membership is easy, but going to the gym is the hard part. How often do you go?
I try to go 3 times a week, usually on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I like to go in the morning before I start teaching English.
Wow, you have a lot of energy. I'm the opposite. I go in the evening after work. It helps me relax after a long day of talking.
When you go to the gym, what do you wear?
I wear sportswear, usually a t-shirt, some shorts, and my favorite pair of sneakers.
Sneakers are very important. You need good shoes to protect your feet. I also bring a water bottle and a small towel.
Why a towel?
Because when you work hard, you sweat. You use the towel to dry your face and to wipe the machines after you use them. It is good gym manners.
When you walk into the gym, where do you go first?
I go to the cardio area. Cardio is exercise that makes your heart beat fast. I usually get on the treadmill.
Oh, the treadmill. That is the machine where you walk or run, but you stay in the same place.
Exactly. I usually walk for 10 minutes to warm up. Warming up is very important so you don't hurt your muscles.
I prefer the stationary bike. I like to sit down while I exercise. I listen to music or a podcast while I cycle.
After cardio, do you lift weights?
Yes, I do strength training. I use dumbbells. Those are the small weights you hold in your hands to make my arms stronger.
I am a bit afraid of the big weights. I don't want to look like a bodybuilder.
Don't worry, Bella. Lifting weights doesn't make you huge overnight. It just makes you toned and healthy.
Sometimes I get bored of the machines. When that happens, I join a fitness class.
What kind of classes does your gym have?
They have yoga, Zumba, and Pilates. Zumba is my favorite because it is like a dance party. You move to the music and forget that you are exercising.
Yoga is great for stretching. I tried a yoga class once, but I am not very flexible. I couldn't touch my toes.
That's why you need the class, Alex, to get better.
Some people at my gym have a personal trainer. A personal trainer is a teacher who helps you exercise correctly.
That is very helpful for beginners. The trainer tells you which exercises to do and how to use the machine safely.
It is more expensive than going alone, but it is a great way to reach your goals faster.
After I finish my workout, I go to the locker room.
The locker room is where you keep your bag and change your clothes. Does your gym have a sauna?
Yes, I love the sauna. It is a very hot room that helps your muscles relax. I stay there for 5 minutes and then I take a cold shower.
A cold shower after a workout? You are very brave, Bella. I prefer a warm shower.
It feels very refreshing. After the gym, I am always very hungry. I usually drink a protein shake.
Protein is good for repairing your muscles. I usually go home and eat a big, healthy dinner like chicken and broccoli.
It is important to eat well. There is no point in going to the gym if you only eat chocolate cake afterwards.
Hey, I worked hard. I deserve a little cake.
Alex, be honest. Do you ever make excuses not to go to the gym?
All the time. Sometimes I say, oh, it's raining, or I'm too tired, or my favorite TV show is on.
We call that being lazy. But how do you stay motivated?
I think about how I feel after the gym. I always feel more energetic and happy after a workout. We call that an endorphin rush.
That's true. Exercise is good for your mental health too. It helps reduce stress.
Another way I stay motivated is by going with a gym buddy. A gym buddy is a friend who goes with you. If I don't go, I feel bad because I'm letting my friend down.
Maybe I should be your gym buddy, Alex. We can speak English while we lift weights.
That is a great idea. 1, 2, 3, lift.
Do you remember the first time we went to the gym together, Alex?
Oh no, please don't tell the students that story.
I have to. Alex tried to use the bench press. That is the machine where you lie on your back and push a heavy bar up.
I thought I was much stronger than I actually was.
He put too much weight on the bar and he couldn't move it. He was stuck under the bar shouting, "Bella, help me!"
It was so embarrassing. You were laughing so hard you almost couldn't help me.
It's okay, Alex. Everyone is a beginner at some point. Now you are much stronger.
Yes, now I check the weight before I lie down.
Alex, what vocabulary should our students focus on for this topic?
Focus on the verbs exercise, work out, sweat, stretch, lift.
And the nouns gym, machine, weights, muscles, membership.
A good tip for beginners, don't try to do too much on your first day. Start small. Even 15 minutes is better than nothing.
And don't compare yourself to the other people in the gym. Everyone has a different body and a different journey.
Just focus on being a little bit better than you were yesterday. Well, Bella, all this talk about the gym has made me feel like I should go do some push-ups.
Go for it, Alex. I think I will just go and have a glass of water.
We hope you enjoyed our conversation today. We hope it helped you learn some useful words for your fitness journey.
What about you? Do you go to the gym or do you prefer to exercise at home or in the park?
We love to read your stories. Every comment is a chance for you to practice your English.
If you liked this video, please give us a like. It really helps our channel reach more students.
And if you haven't yet, please click the subscribe button. Join the Ready Talk community and let's get English fit together.
Thank you for practicing with us today. You're doing a great job.
We will see you in the next video.
Stay healthy and keep practicing.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.